merge. To do mailing, we'll go to the mailing tab, we'll go to start mail merge, and we'll click on the option step by step mail merge wizard. When we'll click on step by step mail merge wizard, we will get a mail merge pane in right side like this, and we can now click on next option. We have selected already on next step by step mail merge wizard. Now use the current document. How do you want to set your document, your letters? Use the current document. Now we can type here a letter. Suppose we are just sharing a letter to number of people, so we will be just writing like to, and then we'll say dear or salutation, whatever we want to give the name. We'll leave the space, then comma, then we'll write we are inviting you in a birthday party. Please come. Please do come. Thanking you. Now we can see here that a letter is typed. Now we can go to the select recipients. Now we'll type a new list. We'll create, and in this list we'll give the addresses. First of all, we'll customize the which we need are like zip code or country code we don't need, so we can delete by this pressing delete key. This line 2, suppose we don't need, we can delete this also. Email address we need, 2 phone numbers we don't need, so we can keep like this. And we don't have to keep company name. This is deleted. Yes. Okay. Now we can write here like Mrs. then suppose Sonal Sharma, then civil lines, then Rampur, UP 244901, and the phone number, then email address @gmail.com. The same way we'll go for the next entry. So for that purpose we'll click on new, and we can type here the new address. Suppose Suman Arora Vasant, then UP, then the code, then number, like this. We can have number of addresses over here. We can click on OK, and now these addresses can be saved by a file name. Suppose we have given address, it is saved like this. Now we'll click on OK. Now we'll click on, now our letter is ready. Now we'll go next. we have this list. Now address block, wherever we want to give. Suppose we have selected this place for the address block, so this way it is added over here. Then greeting line we want to add here, so we'll just add here the greeting line. Okay, like this it is fixed. And then we can see the preview like this, and the home, in the mailing tab we can see preview of the letters, both the letters. When we want to go to the next, we can click on this next option. This way we can preview the results of mail merge. So, and first if we want to go first one, okay, like this we can have number so many letters which are to be sent. Suppose 50 participants or 100 participants are there in a party, then we can send the letters to all at a stretch. It can be seen one by one. It can be formed easily without doing anything again and again. Control Windows plus Shift plus